In this quick Waymo app tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically adjust the legroom in the Waymo app. First things first, pull up the Waymo app, of course. I'm going to go down to the bottom section and click My Car. Once I do, you have a bunch of different features. I've done videos about a lot of these, but you can see right here, distributed legroom. Brand new feature, kind of cool, right? Kind of similar to Uber Comfort, I guess, in a way. But what I can do is adjust the legroom front or back. So if I go here and I click it, you can see here, distributed. This is the normal automatic setting. But let's say it's just me. Let's say I'm sitting in the back. What I can do is do this, or let's say I'm sitting in the front, excuse me. I can make sure that the front is further back. Or if I click rear, I can do this. So let's say if I have a few friends with me, let's say we put the tallest one, for example, who have the biggest legs, let's say in the front, I can click this. That way he or she has more legroom and I can adjust accordingly depending on what I want. One thing I do want to say at the end of this video is this is free. I want to say that because this is pretty straightforward, pretty easy. But when you look at Uber or Lyft, for example, they have the normal Ubers and Lyfts, but then you have like Lyft Comfort and Uber Comfort. You have these extra rides that cost some extra money. And one kind of thing to them is you can adjust the temperature and other things. But one thing is extra legroom. With Waymo, with this feature, this is 100% free. So keep in mind, this is not like a Waymo Comfort feature or anything like that. This is included on the normal Waymo app, and this is 100% free to distribute the legroom however you want.